Have you recently seen a could not connect to iCloud error when trying to use your Apple services on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I will uncover some of the best solutions to fix iCloud connectivity issues. Solution 1. Sign out and sign in Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID username, scroll down to the bottom, now tap the Sign Out button. Follow the on-screen instructions. Then press Sign Out button again in the top right corner and tap to confirm sign out. Wait until the process is done and sign in again. Solution 2. Set date and time. Go to Settings, then tap on General, scroll down. Next, press Date and Time option. Now set it to automatically. Solution 3. Check for the latest iOS updates. Open the Settings app, go to General, then tap on Software Updates. Now check and install any available updates. And ensure your iPhone is charged at least 50% or more while updating. I hope this video helped you to fix the iCloud connection issue on your iPhone. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. And if you have anything to say, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining in. See you guys next time.